Okay, we got the piggy. Welcome back to Archiver. Pretty sure I'm going to use this in an Archiver video, so I'll just make this first. We got the piggy. And that is because I have a daily ritual with her. I have to hit 4 dash attacks. But what I also have to do is hook 3 different survivors in the same trial. So I feel like I should mention this is the first time I've ever played the pig. As you can see there, I only have her level 10. And that is because I used about 170,000 blood points to get her up to this point. So here we go. Ooh, the rancid abattoir with a nice fire barrel here. Ooh, look at that. It's like it's a screwdriver and it's like spinning. Okay, so I am Le Piguet in today's game. This game. Probably gonna have multiple games, part of the episodes. I don't know why I was gonna say today's video, but I have 2 things to do with the piggy. Not, you know, the one isn't specifically for her. The other one is though. I have to get 4 dash attacks. There's one. Did you just waste a pallet? She did. Hey. Nice sprint burst. They're gonna get that other gen too. But again, today isn't about getting gens. Today is about being successful. You're that confident, huh? Oh. Ooh. That was messy. You see that? Here, let's put you in a biatch way up. Just in case they decide to do another gen. Oh, this isn't the dungeon. Which they will. They'll do another gen. That one was almost done over there. And they're potatoing that one. Okay, they just doomed her. Someone's in here potatoing on this, though. Alright, so this girl definitely... Oh, no way! How did I miss? That's harder to control than it really looks. Okay, that's bullshit. Oh, dead hard. Nice. Good job. God, I hate this corn. She's in a closet. I bet money on it. Nope. This corn, dude. It's a killer. How does she... No. There's just no way. 3 more attacks. That's all I need. How did that possibly miss? You really have to protect her that badly, huh? Do you also have dead hard? What the fuck? Why are you here? You try to loot me forever, huh? Do a Jenny now, you losers. I think the girl slow crawled back out the window. Oh, hey. Oh, you dead-hearted down into the dungeon. That was a stupid play. That was a crazy stupid play, actually. Oh, that's unfortunate. Alright, but we're not campers. Really? You wasted it? You're dumb. Didn't work that time, you dummy. No. Where were you going? What were you doing? That was your last gasp? Was to take cover behind that fucking... Okay. Well, you're just dumb. Oh, hey. It's like they're leaving you. Oh, they did. Look at that, these pussies. Alright, we're gonna go back in with the piggy, because that was not good. Jigsaw, I have failed you. I am very sorry. Please forgive me. I mean, 2 out of 4 isn't terrible, but we didn't achieve our goals. We didn't even hook 3 different ones. I think I only hooked those 2. God damn it. Woohoo, the rancid abattoir. So the last game, we failed you, Jigsaw. I'm going to make it up to you now. Yes, 2 out of 4 isn't bad. Jigsaw expects and deserves more than that. Okay, he gave me this nice pig head. Alright. He gave me a job. Right? He pays my bills. So I have to fulfill my end of the deal here. I need 2 more charged attacks. And if we can get a quad, cool. What is this? Oh, that's not the dungeon. So it's the shack dungeon.
Hi, how are you?
Scared you, didn't I, buddy? Gotta listen for the piggy. Come here, Professor. Come here, Professor. Look at that stupid ass lab coat. Where are you going? Oh, that wasn't smart. Sir? What's wrong with you? Oh, I saw you. You want to talk about it? Oh, freaking out like an idiot. I'm not chasing you anymore. You're safe. You're totally fine. You have nothing to worry about. Listen, everything's gonna be okay. You don't trust me, huh? Oh, nice timing. Nice timing indeed. Well, Professor is about to die. I don't like that. Come here, lady. I'm not messing with you anymore. Oh, that was not smart. Just wasting pallets out here. Well, you got lucky there. Won't get so lucky this time, bitch. I didn't even have to pick you up off the ground. Actually, you know what? I should put you on the ground, though. Give you a little bear trap action. There you go. That's what we need. A little deterrent. There's... Okay, it didn't work. Come here! Come here, fool. Come here. Got balance landing or something, huh? Oh, I fucking teabagged you. Did you see that? You like that? You like my piggy nuts on your fucking forehead? Okay, so it's either the one next to the professor that just got unhooked. Oh, it's this one. I hear her. Hey, lady. That's not good. I'm gonna need you to stop doing that. It's not anything you did wrong. Okay. Oh, hello, sir. What are you doing down there? Excuse me, Professor Dick Cheese in my dungeon. Oh. Oh, that wasn't smart. No, that wasn't smart, dude. I'm right here. Oh, was that dead hard? Woo! Oh, life. Okay. No! No fucking way! Hey, buddy. How did you get scared by that again? I definitely got my charged attack. Okay, you know what? You're paying for what you did. Ah, she died to the mask! Oh, that must suck. Hello, lady. Yeah, I saw you. You're not sneaky. Really? You gonna hide behind the cows? What are you doing? You think you're sneaky? No! I will strike you down every time. Try to hide behind the cows in my game, you're gonna get shit on. I get the feeling. Oh, you fucked up now. Okay, she's probably going towards the hook. Yep. Here she goes. They gonna run in here? Right to me? Huh? You're getting all the way over here. Sir. 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 You wanna talk about it? Is your girlfriend in here? That'd be funny, wouldn't it? Oh no, but she's right there. Why is she making so much goddamn noise? I don't know. You serious? Hey, pal. What's up, dude? You want to talk about it? No? You don't want to talk about it? It's still fresh in your memory, huh? You wiggle. If you don't wiggle, I'll let you go. Oh, you're wiggling. Oh, you stopped. Oh, hey. That's right. That's what I thought you said. That's what I thought you said. Look, now you're starting to get it. Now you're starting to get it. Look. There's a hook right over there I could take you to, but I'm not. Oh, you want that? Want the hatch, huh? Yes, you want the hatch? Go ahead. Go ahead. Yes. 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 Dude got lucky. He stopped wiggling. So I was gonna hook his ass. There we go. That is a game that does Jigsaw proud. And I let the level 17 go, or the rank 17 go. Fuck yeah, dude.